Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, everyone. I Adrian for B. Mangaya from 4th year Alpha. Today, I discuss the Article 3, Section 1 to Section 22, Bill of Rights. First is Section 1. Section 1 is, no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process, nor denied equal protection of the laws. It means everyone must be treated fairly and no one can lose right without properly legal. Ibig sabihin po is karapatan natin magkaroon ng sariling kalayaan natin kung anong gusto natin gawin na hindi tayo pinipigilan ng kahit sino man. Section 2. People are secure against unreasonable searches and seizures. Warrants required probable cause issued by a judge. It means authorities need a valid warrant to search or arrest, protecting individual from abuse. Bawal tayong mag-aresto nang wala tayong dalang search warrant upang maiwasan ang anuman maging sanhi ng magkaroon ng physical abuse sa ating mamamayan. Section 3. Privacy of communication and correspondence shall be inviolable except by court order or law. Any evidence obtained illegally is admissible. It means your letters and message are protected. Illegally obtained evidence cannot be used in court. Section 3, ito po ay ating privacy ng ating mga mensahe na hindi pwedeng gawin na hindi po pwedeng gawin laban sa atin at hindi pwede iharap sa court. Section 4. No law shall restrict freedom of speech, expression, press, and peaceful assembly. And it means citizens are free to express ideas and protest peacefully without government interference. Tayong mamamayang Pilipino ay malaya tayong ipahayag ang ating nararamdaman. Malaya tayong magprotesta na hindi tayong kinukulong. Basta wag lang tayo gagawa ng kahit anong makakasakit sa ating kababayan. Section 5. No law shall establish a religion or prohibit free exercise thereof. No religious test is required for rights. It means people are free to choose the religion and state the canon favor or discriminate. Kalayaan ng bawat relihiyon, karapatan ng bawat relihiyon dapat ipahayag ang kanilang saloobin na hindi sila pwedeng discriminate. Ang kanilang paniniwala ay hindi natin pwedeng sarain. Section 6. Liberty of adult and right to travel shall not be impaired except by lawful court order or for security, safety, or health. It means you may live and travel anywhere, but the government can restrict it for safety or health. Kalayaan natin mag-travel kahit sa panig ng mundo at karapatan din natin bumalik sa ating sariling bansa. Section 7. People have the right to information on matters of public concern. It means citizens can demand access to government records for transparency. Karapatan ng bawat Pilipino ang pagtitipon at paggawa ng kahit anong organisasyon Section 8. People may form unions, association, or societies not contrary to law. Means freedom of organization is guaranteed for both private and public sectors. Section 9. Private property shall not be taken for public use without just compensation. It means if the government takes property, the owner must be paid fairly. Walang sapilitang pagbawi ng kahit anumang ari-arian, kundi man ito compensation ng ating government. Section 10. No law impairing the obligation of contract shall be passed. It means legal arrangements between parties cannot be invalidated by new laws. Bawal ang batas na sumisira sa kontrata. Section 11. Free access to court and legal assistance shall not be denied due to poverty. It means even the poor must be given fair access to justice. Pantay-pantay dapat tayo sa harap ng batas. Walang aangat, walang nasa baba, kailangan nasa gitna lang. Section 12. Person under investigation have the right to remain silent and have counsel. No torture or coercion is allowed. It means arrested individuals are protected from forced confession and must have a lawyer. Karapatan natin magpiyansa, karapatan natin kumuha ng sariling abogado. Section 13. All persons are available for conviction except for capital offense with strong evidence. It means bail ensures freedom while awaiting trial, but not for very serious crime. Karapatan magpiyansa maliban sa mga crime na reclusion perpetuang kapalit. Section 14. No person shall face trial without due process. Accused is presumed innocent until proven guilty. It means fair trial is required, and the burden of proof rests on the prosecution. Karapatan sa due process at presumption of innocence. Section 15. The privilege of the right of habeas corpus shall not be suspended except in invasion of rebellion. It means protection against illegal detention can only be limited in extreme emergencies. All persons have the right to speedy disposition of case. It means justice must not be delayed without valid reason. Karapatan sa mabilisang paglilitis. Section 17. No person shall be compelled to be a witness against himself. It means you cannot be forced to admit guilt or testify against yourself. Walang sino man ang mapipilit na tumistigo laban sa kanyang sarili. Section 18. No detention for political beliefs. No involuntary servitude except as punishment for a crime. It means political prisoners are not allowed, and forced to labor is illegal unless part of sentence. Bawal ang political imprisonment at forced labor. Section 19. No excessive fine or cruel punishment, death penalty allowed only for heinous crime if Congress provides. Explanation. It means punishment must be humane torture and inhumane treatment are banned. Bawal ang malupitan at di makataong pagpaparusa sa kahit sino mang lumabag sa ating batas. Section 20. No person shall be imprisoned for debt or non-payment of full tax. Walang sino man ang nakukulong dahil sa utang. Section 21. No person shall be twice put in jeopardy for the same offense. It means once acquitted or convicted, the same cases cannot be retrieved. Bawal ang double jeopardy. Hindi pwedeng litisin muli ang nagkaaso sa pareho niyang kaso. Section 22. No ex post facto law or bill of attainder shall be enacted. It means laws cannot punish past acts that were illegal or nor impose punishment without trial. Bawal ang batas na nagpaparusa sa gawaing dati ay hindi naman krimen. Parusang ipinatano ng batas ng walang paglilitis.